Hey, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We're just going to take about a minute to give folks a chance to join in with us this morning. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, thank you for joining in this morning. I know everyone has had a great AEP, and I know AEP has been eventful this year with a lot of changes going on. But what we're going to do today, Tyler and myself, is we're going to talk about what's after AEP. How can we cross-sell? How can we include or increase our bottom line? And one of the ways we're going to do it is actually through this presentation. And some of the information there. Let's say at the first of the year, you can go in and actually go and talk to your clients about this. So here, folks, here, hold on tight. Gonna get this going for you, and should be a short presentation. But here, just hold on. All right, sorry about that, folks. Just having a little technical difficulties on my end. And here, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we will get this started for you. All right. So Medicare is actually the ultimate cross-selling tool. Today, myself, a broker sales advisor with Insurance Advisors Direct with our life and annuity department, as well as Tyler. Unfortunately, Tyler isn't feeling well today, so we're going to be without Tyler. He's also the brokerage sales advisor within our life and annuity department. Here, just a little bit about Insurance Advisors Direct. Insurance Advisors Direct is a full service FMO. And what we do, we pride ourselves on our 7 pillars of success, our sales tools, marketing services, technology, our product offerings, administrative services, training and education, and lead generation. So like I said, we are a full service. We've been around for a good minute, and part of our success is simplifying your success. And as I stated, with our 7 pillars of success. So here's our agenda today, folks. Why Medicare is a great door opener. The simple solution, bridging the sales process. How do we bridge that gap between Medicare and then other product and services that you offer? Proper questions to stimulate those conversations, and then what's in it for you. All right, so why Medicare? Well, as we all know, it's a limitless market. Federal government states there's 10,000 people a day turning 65. For demographics, a great door opener, easy way to meet potential clients. With that, your Medicare, actually, once you sell that Medicare, you have a client pretty much for life. Recent retirees or folks preparing for retirement. They're going to need your valuable information when it comes to their Medicare planning. Life financial decision making gold mine. Actually, those folks, you're probably one of the first financial professionals your clients will talk to when they're getting ready to turn 65 or when they've turned 60, 65. They're going to need to talk to someone about Medicare and other retirement issues. Why not? Should be you. Build wealth into your practice besides renewal income, lead generation, current and existing client, great response rate, and very inexpensive life and annuity lead generation. All right. So first, simple solution bridging the sales process. The goal of the Simple Solutions bridging process is to identify a cross-selling opportunity and schedule a follow-up appointment. And like I say, and we'll get into that. You position yourself and your organization as an expert in your field. You're already an expert in your field of Medicare, but there's other solutions that you can help your retirees and pre-retirees with. Here we go. All right. Here's a way to position yourself with this particular statement. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Prospect, my objective today is to help you make an educated choice about your Medicare options. So you may have peace of mind that your health insurance needs are well taken care of. Now, Medicare is just one of the ways I help my clients navigate retirement. And after we finish discussing your Medicare, after we finish discussing your Medicare needs, I'll ask you some additional questions and about other concerns facing retirees today. So your position statement should be personal, should be true, and short, just less than 30 seconds, some type of an elevator story. Now, we still have to follow the rules of CMS, and agents can sell health products such as hospital indemnity, dental and vision plans at Medicare meetings. However, non-health related products we cannot sell, such as life, annuities, long-term care, and final expense. However, what you can do is after you finish with that Medicare enrollment, you can tell your client, Mr. and Mrs. Prospect, here, I do offer other financial services besides Medicare that would complement your Medicare, and that's just something off the riff. But you can let folks know what you sell. If they're interested, you can set an appointment for a future date. Just can't do it on that particular enrollment meeting that you have. So educate, and once you meet with those folks, just educate your clients on their Medicare options. Know your competition, adds credibility and eliminates the need to shop around. Position in step one, the positioning in step one, we just talked about, adds credibility to the Medicare sale. Your opportunity to build trust and rapport and demonstrate your knowledge. So uncovering additional opportunities by discovering the prospect's needs and wants. So you always want to ask open-ended discussion questions. Uh, Clients should do most of the talking, and as agents, we should just sit back and listen, take detailed notes, and they will share with you whatever concerns they may have. Now, here's a bridge statement that works as well that agents have had success with. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Prospect, now that we have made sure that your health insurance coverage is up to date and all set for this year, I wanted to spend a few minutes, as I do with all of my clients, just talking about other important areas of your retirement. And many of my clients have faced dramatic changes to their lifestyle because of unforeseen changes in the stock market, inflation, both which have severely impacted, their retirement plans and thus their retirement income. Now, one of the biggest fears that people communicate with me today is that of outliving their retirement income and not leaving a legacy. Now, personally, more so folks that my clients, their biggest thing is not wanting to outlive their income. They want their income to outlive them. And once we set that up, then we can talk about leaving a legacy. Now, even with setting up guaranteed income for life, those plans will help actually pay for some of those Medicare out-of-pocket expenses. But to get back to the bridge statement, many people are not aware that there are investments and income products available that will guarantee their returns and income for life, and without any potential of loss, even if the stock market and other products have to take a loss. All right, so just a few simple questions that I would like to go over with you to see if this could be of benefit to your son. So you can ask questions. Would you like a better rate of return than is currently being offered by banks and CDs, bank savings account, checking accounts, CDs, money market accounts? Our interest rates are, I'm going to say usually, but are much lower than a fixed indexed annuity. Or even if CD money market of not performing well, interest rate is low, you can even look at time you will to help generate tax-free income. Now, would you like to protect your retirement money from losses due to a negative rate environment? Like stock market declines. Would you like to guarantee that you will not outlive your income no matter how long you or your spouse live. Fixed index annuities with income riders. Let's say if you live to be 136 years old, you're going to receive that, however you set it up, monthly income, quarterly, or annual payment from that fixed indexed income annuity until either you or your spouse passes away, even if it at 836. And then, as we talked about the IULs, which you like to create the ideal savings and account that is tax-free, where you can receive income for the rest of your life as well. Now, if your clients answer yes to any of these, and I know that they will, it would be important for me to come back and do a more thorough analysis to show what options you would be eligible for and how we could bring you more safety and guarantees within your accounts. And just this statement alone and the statement from the previous one, just from a simple phone call or an email to set up that appointment where you will do a full analysis and find out what you can offer them. So, and here's other alternative methods. As I mentioned earlier, Medicare is just one of the many ways I help my clients navigate retirement. And this is you saying this, in my experience, the top 5 concerns facing retirees today. And that can be just on a simple phone call or an email to your clients, or even sending out a little mailer to your clients. You're saying, look, the top 5 is fear of running out of money or not knowing how long it will last. Longevity is a big piece of the puzzle when it comes to retirement planning. Inflation, extreme volatility of the market. Now, we know the market is going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to remain the same. But for folks, senior clients, that's just not an option. We can't afford to have inflation erode their income. We can't worry about the stock market going up and down. We want guarantees. So that's one of the many ways that you can help your clients. And then leaving a legacy. And then also the biggest is long-term care. Everybody need to think about long-term care because I believe it is, and don't quote me on our next webinar on long-term care, and we have the specific information, but it's either 65% or 70% of seniors over the age of 65 will need some form of long-term care. Now, when talking about this, do share any of these concerns. Now, how have these concerns affected your retirement plans? And ask those questions. But always remember, ask open-ended questions, actively listen, and take detailed notes. And if you don't understand after those, you take those detailed notes, well, what's next? Call Tyler or myself, and we can help you go through those notes, talk to you about your client's needs, and set up a particular product, but set up something that will help benefit your client. So don't think that you're out here all by yourself. Just always feel free to call Tyler or myself to help you with your cases, because we will set the case up. We'll show you how to present it to your client, and we're that entire back office support for you. Now, step 4 is probing. Uncover the size and scope of the opportunity. So you can ask questions to determine more about the situation, retirement. It's just a simple non-negative question and with you, and they will give you that information. Well, tell me about your retirement plans, your IRA, help us paint, that will help you paint a picture to give to us, to Tyler and myself, to create a plan for you. And then tell me about your life insurance. And as I say, as you're doing that, and again, always remember, ask those open-ended questions and actively listen and take detailed notes. You'll be surprised of the information that your clients will give you. Now, step 5 is the trial close. Trial close question is, if we could get together again and discuss a plan to help you and to state the concerns that they had, would that be of benefit for you, to you? A key things to remember. If the answer is no, circle back to what the prospect said during the probing phase. Use the prospect's own words. Now, if yes, schedule the appointment within 7 to 14 days and complete client confidential sheet. That client confidential sheet is actually a form, and I will make sure everyone gets a copy of it. Our client confidential sheet is simply a form that tells a person's financial history. They just answer these questions, and then along with your detailed notes, you pass that along to Tyler and myself. And then bam, we will create a specific plan for your clients. And then what's in it for you? If only one of Medicare clients wants a conversation regarding their savings and investment options, imagine the income opportunity. Now, the average annuity sale approximately $70,000 with the commission ranging from 6.5% to 7%. So just imagine if you sold an annuity with commission of 70,000 annuity with a commission of 7%. Well, that's $4,900 just from that one sale. And just imagine if you had 10 of those. Let's say 10 of those is $700,000. Well, that's $49,000 in your pocket. Just imagine how many, and nothing against Medicare, how many Medicare plans do you have to sell to $49,000 as opposed to 10 annuities worth with a $70,000 premium. I will say we've actually, an agent sold an $800,000 annuity that's worth $800,000. The commission from that is $56,000 that agent earned just from that one sale. So imagine the additional marketing dollars available for you for your practice. All right, and then not only that, with as you earn points for Medicare towards the trips that we sponsor, and this year is to Curacao. So just imagine with annuities, you sell a $700,000 annuity. Now we will take 10% of that to credit towards the trip. So that's 70,000 points you have to go through towards your trip. And that will keep adding up. And annuities, quite frankly, you probably can get to the qualifying point or be the leader or within the top 10 within a matter of months just selling annuities, and even with life insurance. So folks, that's all we have today. We just wanted to bring something to you just to let you know this is another way to earn extra dollars after AEP. Now, stay tuned. We're going to have our Life and Annuity Academy in January 29th and 30th, and we'll go more in depth in different techniques that you can use to cross-sell life insurance and annuities to your client. Let's say Medicare folks, you have the books of business. That is the perfect way to increase your bottom line, and better yet, to add more value to the services that you offer your clients. So folks, that's all we have today. I want to wish everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, and continued success. And with that continued success, just know that Insurance Advisors Direct, Bernard and Tyler here to simplify your life and annuity success. All right, folks, but that's it. Let me stop sharing the screen. And if anyone has any questions, please feel free to go ahead. All right. Warren asked, what IUL carriers do you handle? We actually pretty much everyone. I'll tell you our favorites, our tops in the market, Allianz, F&G, AIG, Symetra, National Life Group. Those are the ones that we use the most. For me, I use for my personal clients, Allianz, AIG, National Life Group. A big one as well that's very good in the IUL market space is Nationwide. So we have a pretty diverse group of carriers that will have IULs. Okay. Now, let's see what else we have. Do any of them have easy underwriting and no cap on income? Yes. Allianz is very good with that. Now, pretty much, all IUL carriers, it is accelerated underwriting. So if there's no severe health issues, then there's probably no paramed is needed. But things as far as diabetics, they can offer some of the carriers will offer that you write a policy even if the client's A1C is at an 8. Even high blood pressure, no more than 3 pills or high blood pressure medications, as long as it's controlled. So, yep, there are ease of underwriting. Just can't be nothing dire that would prevent the client from being a decline. All right. All right. If that is it, sure. Thank you for attending. This will be on our YouTube page in a couple of days. And again, happy holidays and have a happy New Year's. Well, if we don't hear from you then. All right, folks. Take care now. Bye.